Thank you, ma'am. I'm gonna soft squat. It's gonna be the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail shot. How's it? How is it?
Looks really good.
Yes. We got such a compiled list of things. So the first thing we got, this was something I really wanted Dustin to get, were these monoball rear trailing arm bushings. Because if anyone's ever owned E36, you know those things are whack. So this will isolate all that movement. It's a nice Delrin offset bushings for the front from Condor. So that's nice. Delrin rear diff bushings, which are nice because his are fucked. So you got the two for the cover and the important one in the back. He also got a new diff bolt from BMW.
Mine snapped.
Yeah, he broke it.
All these fancy bolts.
Oh yeah, some head studs. Those would be nice. All the directions.
Nice. These Innovate boxes are really piling up too.
Yeah, we got a lot of Innovate stuff. I like the Innovate. Boost controller, huh? 4-bore map sensor. Nifty. There's a loud bringing sensor. You can program this to start cutting boost when you start to lean out, and you can set all those settings up.
Where'd I gauge at though?
It's in here. Here it is.
Oh yeah.
Here's the gauge.
Here's the magic.
So yeah, it tells you everything. This is like 3 products in one right here. So it tells you boost pressure, air fuel ratio, and then it's also a boost controller. Nice fluid damper.
Yes.
And pretty close in weight, probably. It's hard to say.
The good news is this new one has no chance of coming apart in the middle.
Yeah, because the biggest thing with these is, you know, they're sealed by an O-ring, and they typically dry rot, and then they come apart.
So now we're taking the OEM water to oil cooler off.
It's gonna come out the coolant, I'm sure. I mean, it's fucking water, so.
Yes. Least of my concerns. Yeah, that's a long ass bolt, huh?
Yes, it is. There's many threads.
Dang, let's check this beast out.
So that little piece there is the stack. What they call the stack. That's where it exchanges, you know, the coolant passes through and then the oil passes through.
And maybe we can do the 4-bolt engine mount mod.
Yeah, of course. So you can try threading it in now, but you might have to loosen all the other bolts to get it.
The J in JZ stands for Jeremy.
He's not wrong.
So do you have to like cut those or something, or?
Some of them. These are a different thread.
Oh.
So this one and this one I'll have to change. Then these two will go together, and I'll put unions here and run the hard line up to the proportioning valve.
Show them what you found.
Oh, this little bracket fits this full wooden cylinder thingy.
Like we didn't
Proportioning
drill
valve.
anything. It just happens to be the perfect size to fit a
Yeah, now you can just
Wellwood bias.
zip, 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 and then
Wow.
I can take these straight up to here and rear and fronts.
It's pretty nice, man. That big old chonky boy. Man, we're gonna have to watch out for these power steering lines. Eh? Which way do you think this thing's gonna go?
Well, we can. Advantages is we can move it where we need to. But things is they gave you so many fucking 90s. Probably gonna be something like that
Yeah.
if we have the space.
Jeremy's over here hating this whole time. Meanwhile-
it's a lot to stack on there, bro.
Meanwhile, that looks freaking sick, dude. We got sandwich plates on sandwich plates. And look, I still think it sticks out less far than it did before.
Probably. It's a straighter angle.
It used to come like almost touch the freaking.
What?
It used to touch the chassis.
You thread it on until the hose.
Is it reverse thread?
This part it's just like a rough thread to get it on the hose.
Mhm.
Because it's supposed to, that's what grips it. And you're supposed to thread this up until the edge of the hose meets this flange here. Or you leave it off just ever so slightly. But then you gotta lube this. This part here is very important to get some lube on it. So it slides in the hose, and you
I see.
can start that in. Then you can put your soft jaws in the vise here. You can hold this. Then obviously we gotta find a WD-40 or some other good lubricant. Then you can start this in
I see.
and tighten it. Then you get to the point where you can tighten it with a wrench.
Yeah.
And then that's not going nowhere.
Oh, okay. Show me what you got. Sick.
Sick. Sick, Dad. You're the sickest.
Do you really need a cooler? Like, what if we just run it through this much hose? Won't that cool it down?
Yeah, sure, I think.
Or you're saying this box actually does something?
That black box?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea, pal. I'm new here.